2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out there from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Bob Seger, Like a Rock. I love this song. So cool. And not that hard, actually. Let's start with putting a capo on first fret, so we got some nice open chords. So the song is in a G shape. 1, 2, 3, G. We got a C major. 1, 2, 3. We got F major. Let's play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they do like a little lick in between the chords that goes. So with G, that's open D, second fret, D, and open G. So same thing over C. It's opening up very soft, so you can pick or strum soft. Basically doing it mostly downstrokes. Okay, drums comes in here. Can start strumming. Down up down 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 up down down. Do that one more time. And then we have a bridge that comes pretty early. E minor. 1, 2, E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Go to G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna hit C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. A minor. 1, 2, 3. A minor to D major. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. That's gonna take us to the guitar solo, and the guitar solo is the same thing over G, C, F, C. So let's do the bridge one more time. 3, E minor. 2, 3, switch to G. solo, after guitar solo, they bring it down way low. So that's the one we can pick. Doing the same picking pattern, just different bass in the root. 6 4 3 2 2 3 4 3. Same thing here, just starting on A. Same thing on F. Pick it up. Like a rock, like a rock, like a rock. Cool. So simple and awesome. Alright, so that's all the parts. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow like always. Be safe. Have fun. Thank you.